simple and healthy dish, waterless chicken. This recipe is easy, full of natural flavor, and requires no added water. This chicken becomes incredibly tender and tasty. The meat is so soft that the bone easily separates from the meat. And the amazing part is that no water is added during cooking. All the flavor comes from the natural juices of fresh vegetables. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. First, slice 2 pieces of white onion. Then cut some fresh ginger. Next, chop 2 pieces of apple for natural sweetness. Next, slice the carrots. And red bell pepper. Then cut some spring onions. And also cut some lemongrass for extra aroma. And finally, prepare some Chinese cabbage. Once all the ingredients are ready, we can prepare the chicken. Take the whole chicken and insert the lemongrass inside the chicken cavity. Then add a few slices of ginger and some white onion inside the chicken as well. This helps infuse the chicken with beautiful natural flavor while cooking. Now we can start assembling the pot. Place some of the vegetables at the bottom of the cooking pot. This creates a natural base and prevents the chicken from sticking. Next, place the stuffed chicken in the middle of the pot. Add salt and pepper to taste. After that, add the remaining ingredients and vegetables on top of the chicken. Cover the pot and cook on low heat. The cooking time depends on the size of the chicken. My chicken weighs about 1,100 grams, so I cook it for about 1 hour. After about 1 hour, the chicken is ready. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy!